Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a quick little haul from Scrap Diva Designs. Erica contacted me a few days ago and she asked if I would be a guest designer for her again. So of course I said yes. I love Erica's designs and her dies, and everything is just so well made, and I just love everything. So I was very excited to say yes. She specifically said that she wanted to send me the strawberry dies. So yeah, that was very exciting. And she sent me some other ones too. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what I got, and then I'll come back and show you some projects that I'm going to be making. And if you would like to save 10%, you can use my coupon code, which is strawberry10, and I'll leave that down below in the description box, as well as links to all of these products. All right, so let's get started. The first one is called Strawberry Sentiments, and these have really cute strawberry sayings along with the shadows for them. So I love that. I love the font. That's a really pretty script. There's one that says strawberry, I like you very much, so very sweet, you are very cute, I think. This one I think is upside down. Life is sweet, yep. And then fresh picked. Ooh, I'm impressed with myself. I read them all. Anyway, yes, these are the dies for Strawberry Sentiment. So it comes with all of those. Very excited to add these to the strawberry projects that I create. Okay, so the next one is called the Strawberry Shaker die set. And this one comes with all of these dies plus the ones on the back. So it comes with, let's see, it looks like an outline piece, and then there's the inset piece there to make it into a shaker. And then it comes with this plate that cuts out the strawberry seeds. And then it comes with the background and then a layered stem and leaves that's stitched. Ooh, that's nice. And embossed lines as well. And then it comes with the smaller set. Looks like the same thing, just a little bit smaller. So that is awesome. I am excited for this. Looks like a really good size too. Let me just quick measure. I'll measure them when I make them, but just to see right now, let's see, that's about 3 3/8. Yeah, about that for the bigger one. And then the smaller one is 2 3/4. So nice sizes. And then, all right, we have, look at this one. This is called the Strawberry Mini Album. And this is huge. I mean, my hands, it's bigger than my hand. So I am so excited to make this. It comes with, this is the front that has the strawberry page shape. And then it comes with the, which is stitched. Oh, let me see here. Yeah, that comes apart. So this is a stitched inset piece. And then it comes with the plate that cuts out the little seeds too. And then this will be the spine, the binding. And then on the back, it has, okay, so this is, I think that's the individual pages, probably. And then it comes with the spine part here, or the, what do you call that, where you attach the, I guess that's the spine, right? Yeah, where you attach the pages to the spine of the book, whatever that part is that you attach the pages to it. And then it comes with the leaf too, to go on the inside and the outside. So that is going to be so fun to make. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait to make that. So again, that's called the Strawberry Mini Album. Love to make mini albums, and a strawberry shaped one, amazing. Okay, so those were the strawberry items, and then Erica sent me a few Halloween and Christmas items. So this one says spooky, and I must admit that I took this out and used it right away. I just got this a couple of hours ago in the mail, and I was working on a design team package for Hannah for KS Craft, and this was just perfect for one of the projects I was using. So I did use it already, and it cuts great. It says spooky, and then it has a spider web that's embossed in it, and a spider that hangs from the P, and there's like a little bat there, a couple little bats. It's just such a well-designed word, and it's all one piece too. So it cuts out really quick and just adds a really nice design to your project. And it's a good size, so you know, you could add it to a card, to whatever you want, but it's a perfect size for a card. So there's that. And then like that, there's one, Happy Halloween. Now this one has a shadow word, or shadow to the words, and it's all connected, which is nice too. So it says Happy Halloween in a really pretty script font, and then it has the shadow piece that you can add or not, you know, you don't have to. but the shadow piece really helps define the script, so I like that a lot. So looking forward to adding that to some Halloween projects. Okay, and then for the Christmas dies, this one is called the Christmas Santa Shaker Tag. So it comes with this nice big tag that's stitched, and then it has the circle that it punches also and puts a stitching line around that, which is really nice. And then there are pieces on the back as well, so you can make it into like a hanging ornament that would hang down from here. I haven't looked at it on the website, but I'll look at that. I'll look at that before I put it together. But it comes with the hat for Santa, a mustache, piece of trim for the hat. So there's that part of the ornament. So you would put the ornament there. Oh, that's cute. And then this piece here probably is the bow, I would think. Yeah, so there's stitching around all those parts. That must look really, really cute. So on the back, we have the other layering pieces for the ornament itself to make it into a shaker. And then there are pieces to make the face of the Santa and another mustache too. So you can pick which one you want. So that is super cute. I love how that it gives space for the different elements for the tag. So that's really fun. Super cute design. And then the last one Erica sent me is the Gingerbread Doll Memory Decks card. So this I'm looking forward to making too. I love gingerbreads. I love creating them for Christmas time, or actually any season, but of course for gingerbread or for Christmas. So it comes with the background for the Memory Decks card, the part that cuts out the backing for the gingerbread, and the Memory Decks card itself. It comes with layering pieces. This looks like trim for the dress probably. Comes with the bow and flower, and then this looks like a layering piece for the bow. And then, okay, let's see. And then it comes with another part of the gingerbread, another layering piece, so you could cut this out and then glue it on top of that. Just have a nice other layer. And then it comes with, oh, little heart buttons. Those are so cute. I love that. And then this is looks like a trim for the neckline of the dress. And then it comes with the frosting pieces. There's the dress with more trim and a little face for your gingerbread. Oh, and a layering piece for the Memory Decks card too that cuts out little gingerbreads. That is adorable. Oh, I cannot wait. So cute. So that's my haul from Erica, Scrap Diva Designs. Remember, if you wanted to order any of these or anything else, if you place an order of $10 or more, use Strawberry 10 to get 10% off. So I'll be back once I get going on these and show you what I come up with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.